What's good, people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, I need to always request everyone watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let's get the views up, let's get the numbers up, let's get the subscribers up, let's get likes up, comments up, everything up, subscribers up. Let's do it, people, man. Enough of that, just a quick intro. This video, yeah, I don't really buy Jordans, and it's gonna kind of cement why I don't buy Jordans and why I'm starting to move on to other brands away from Nike and Jordan. So let's just get into it and I'll explain why. So we got a nice box, not gonna lie. It's my first time seeing one like this, slightly different. So it's got the navy blue or the midnight navy white Jumpman. Okay, let's go this side. Navy on this side, plain navy white Jumpman Air, and then it's got the cement, but it's like navy cement. Same thing here, navy and then cement with navy. Then on here, got the Air Jordan made in China. And the information on what it is, it says Air Jordan 6 Retro, white midnight navy. The style code for this is CT8529141. Size UK 9.5, that's centimeters 25, Euro 44.5, and USA 10.5. Yeah, so 9.5 is kind of my true size for Jordans. So I just go true to size 9.5 on all my Jordans. I haven't really, well, I used to wear 9, but not no more. Let's get into it and let's see. Cement paper, and we've got the midnight navy Air Jordan 6. So just looking at it, they look quite nice, quite clean, crisp, you know, nice colorway. Navy and white always works. And then I don't know if you can see that. We'll get into that in just a moment. So the sole, we've got the ice blue, you know, nice ice soles. They used to be clear kind of, and then now they made them a tint, so the ice blue. And then we've got the white Jumpman, and then the midnight navy, bits and bobs everywhere. Obviously you can see the little holes and stuff. They're not really for outside. You can wear them outside, but you know, it's mainly for the basketball court, so it's not grippy, not for the snow or anything like that. Midsole, you can see the air unit, so that's actually a clear air unit with the ice blue around. Then we've got the ice blue showing, small white zigzag, a bit of white there, midnight navy accents. The toe is white with the navy at the bottom, obviously from the sole, and then the same on the back. The heel is white with the navy on the bottom, kind of the same there, so ice blue, navy and white. Then the upper, we've got a kind of a, it's supposed to be like a smooth-ish leather or a tumbled-ish leather, but it's just kind of all over the place, to be honest. So look, as you can see, you know, it's quite like wrinkled up. I'm not sure it's supposed to be like that, but it's kind of all over the place. You know, the line's kind of annoying because it looks kind of old. So it looks like, you know, someone's tried them on or just kept bending them in that position. You know, I don't like that. This got the padding. That's very flimsy compared to the last Air Jordan 6s I had. Maybe it's just me being overcritical. Not that you're going to do that anyway, but just, you know, the material for a £160 shoe on that bit doesn't feel that great. Smooth toe box, white. And then the same, we've got all the white with the perforations, etc. Going on to the back, that wing, pull heel tab, I believe that was inspired by or Jordan's Ferrari or a sports car, whatever. So it's like a spoiler but on trainers or sneakers, which I really like. Don't get me like Don't get it twisted. Oh yeah, I like that. That's proper. Embroidered blue Jordan with the air also embroidered. Laces, plain white laces. Then let's undo those quick. It's got a kind of satin with on the tongue. So it's got neoprene at the bottom. Then that's kind of like a satin neoprene with the embroidered midnight navy Air Jordan, whatever. That's how, you know, unclip it, whatever, if you want to do the laces up, sort the laces out. Then the tongue, we've got that Jordan tongue. It says Jordan and it says Air in the middle of it. So kind of like neoprene-ish there. And then the inside has got just a normal blue insole matching the rest of the sneakers, white Jumpman, and then a nice, not gonna lie, nice kind of padded inside. But all I'm gonna say is once you have worn these like once or twice, this is gonna be covered in little bubbles. Like you can already see a bubble there, but it's gonna be actually absolutely covered in bubbles. So these I got actually 25% off, so the Black Friday deal. I thought, you know, I was trashing Jordan 6s. Let me show kind of why I don't really think Jordan 6 is the best sneaker or the best Jordan. And then they arrived with this dimple, which is frustrating because now I have to waste my time processing a return, waiting on a return, you know. And look, they did come with it in the shoe, so I don't know what is wrong. I've actually got the lace locks here. I hate lace locks, if I'm honest. Midnight navy lace locks. But yeah, so the bit I'm really annoyed at is that quality, man. Like, what is going on there? Like, that is proper messed up. So if I take this out, you can see how out of shape that is. Look, it doesn't go straight. It has like a dip, and then another bit. It's just messed up. It's also got like a cut there. Like that and that, they seem to be two different toe boxes. Like one is completely wrinkly and messed up and out of shape, and one is perfect. So, you know, I thought I'll give Jordans a try again. Maybe I'll just get some 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s, 8s, 9s, 10s, 11s, 12s. And that's it. Actually, no, we'll stop at 11s because 12s, 13s, and 14s I don't really like anymore. But we'll just stop at 11 or even up to 10. But now they've massively thrown me off of buying a Jordan again, man. Look at that, man. That is shocking. This is definitely a quality control fail. I'm not sure how those slipped through, and I'm pretty sure that people have had worse pairs, but this is just something I've experienced. That is shockingly bad, man. It's even got a bit of, you know, glue there, whatever, but come on, people, man. This is like, you know that meme when they step on a baby doll's head, like, you know the meme? That's what they look like at the moment. This is shockingly bad. They are 100% going back. There is no way I'm keeping these. Customer service, let's not even talk about it. I just want to get rid of these, send them back and get my money back. And Jordan, I'm sorry to say, I will not. Well, they don't care, but I'm definitely not buying these again. I'm not buying Jordans. Quality is a joke. Price tag is a joke as well. I cannot be bothered. But that's enough of my rant review. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell your cousins. I'm hopefully going to do a giveaway for you guys soon. Just stay posted. Interact, check out the socials. I'm on TikTok now as well, by the way. Trending UK or trending UK _ something like that. I'll double check and put it in the bio. And yeah, just wait a few moments for the on-foot video, my people. And most importantly, take care.